So welcome to another episode with the farmer. In our last video, we started with how to use charcoal to prevent disease in poultry farming. Of course, I have here with me an expert in poultry who has been into poultry for more than a decade. Of course, he's teaching us how to actually use charcoal and wood ash. So in this video, we actually wanted to talk about how you can actually use wood ash to prevent disease in poultry. So Mr. Ila, so let's talk about the process of using wood ash to prevent disease in poultry.
Thank you, sir. Now, I want to talk about wood ash. Wood ash majorly contain phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and magnesium.
Okay.
Now, wood ash has been used in various ways.
Let's see about
the olden days.
Let's talk about the various ways.
In the olden days, you know that our parents, they use it to scare away lice.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes.
In local farms, local poultry farms. Now, but the potency of wood ash cannot be overemphasized or underestimated, because this day wood ash has come to limelight, whereby farmers are now using it and will still be using it. Now, what are the works that wood ash help to do in the poultry farm?
Okay. Okay. Wait. How do you're talking about? Before we talk about the works that wood ash is doing in poultry farming, let's talk about how to get that wood ash first.
Now, wood ash can either be obtained from charcoal.
Okay.
The residue part of the charcoal when it has been used,
charcoal dust,
when it has burned, charcoal, or any other wood, even bamboo wood.
Okay, bamboo. Let's say bamboo. Burning of bamboo.
Burning of bamboo, burning of residual dead leaves. Can get also ash from dead leaves, which are very healthy for
so
our animal take.
Any ash
wood, apart from anything that contains polyethylene.
Okay, that's from petroleum.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, some work that wood ash can help us to do, or can help us to
prevent in poultry.
Now, wood ash helps in detoxification.
Detoxification.
When animals take wood ash, mostly poultry birds, when they take wood ash, either through their food or water, it helps detoxifying some chemicals and some bacteria
in their body. Okay, so it can be administered as an oral or into their feed.
Or through feed, yeah.
Through feed, okay.
Yes. Now, it can also be used for purification of water.
Purification of water. Tell us more about that.
Now, when you take wood ash that you have obtained from your wood or charcoal, you put some level of spoon of that ash into the water.
Okay.
It helps to prevent any germs that might have been in the water.
Okay.
Now, maybe you get rainwater from the atmosphere. Now, the rainwater is dropping through the roof. Some roof have gotten some germs.
Germs, yeah, of course.
Now, coming down into the bucket or the drums, it will come with some germs.
Germs, of course, automatically.
Now, as you put down wood ash, it will help to kill it.
Okay.
You know, I vividly understand or remember some years back when we go to our parents in the village and they gathered rainwater from the atmosphere. They put charcoal inside it.
Yes.
So that it will not break that pool.
Yes. Okay.
That charcoal or that ash is helping to prevent either the germs that have been there or the one that want to enter.
Okay.
Now, other work that wood ash can do is that it helps to prevent diarrhea.
Diarrhea inside poultry, right?
Yes, inside poultry.
Okay.
If the animal is is pooing, smelling. The poo will have a irritative smell, a foul smell.
Okay.
Now, when you put wood ash through the food or in horror, it helps to prevent diarrhea.
Okay. Okay.
Wood ash serve as healing agent.
Okay. Okay. Healing agent for
Healing agent. Now maybe it's, the animal is suffering from one disease or sickness. When you put wood ash inside that water, it helps to heal them up.
Okay. Okay.
And another thing is that wood ash helps in clearing of Newcastle disease.
Newcastle. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Inside the pen.
It's one of the. It's one of the. It's one of the diseases that destroy farmers.
It's a very contagious disease that can, in fact, that can wipe off farm. It's just so much, and the farmer will just become like.
Later will become the day.
Especially if the farmer get a loan.
It will become a story.
It will now become a touch the heart.
That touch the heart.
No, but when you wood ash, it helps
in preventing it.
To prevent and clear of Newcastle.
Okay, so now let's talk about the for how long will that wood ash will it take for the prevention, or will it be a continual process? Then how often should someone be applying it? In case of our audience,
it depends on you, on the way you want to use it.
Okay.
Even if your animal is not sick, you can just be giving the animal at least maybe 3 times in a week.
3 times.
You know, in giving herbal medicine to our animal, at least even if they're not sick, you can use like 1 or 2 within a week.
Okay.
And they become okay. But if the sickness or disease has entered, you can extend it to like 5 times in a week.
Okay.
And you can even increase the dosage.
Can you see add it? Can you ask in what will I say? Can you have this oral drug for them, antibiotic for the birds too?
All these herbal medicines serve as both antibiotics, antifungi, antibacterial, and so many.
Can you mix the wood ash or charcoal with the antibiotics?
You know, which antibiotics are?
Any of our livestock antibiotics?
No, we're talking about this is pure herbal medicine.
Okay, okay.
Now, in using that one with this one, one will inhibit the other one.
Okay, okay.
From working well.
Okay, what is the negative part of using the wood ash? Does it not have any negativity?
Herbal medicine don't have any negative effect because they are natural substance that you obtain.
Okay.
From the field to take care of human being and as well as the animal.
I've heard about activated charcoal that is being used by human being.
Yeah.
To detoxify the system too.
Yes, sir.
So many people use activated charcoal, more or less like the system of activated charcoal that is being used for human being and this
for the animal.
For the animal. So thank you so much.
And also, wood ash helps in removing pests in the farm.
Okay, okay.
Like now, you can add it in the bedding of the layers.
Okay, okay, okay.
So it will not make them to attract
parasites. Parasite like lice and
ectoparasites. Now, when poultry birds, middle layers, they lay egg, they tend to peck that egg. Once they peck it, and it is being exposed, it attracts some parasite. Now, when you use that wood ash on the bedding, it will help.
That would be as part of their
bedding.
That's for mainly for deep litters.
For deep litters.
Okay.
And it will help to prevent such.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for this great knowledge and for sharing this knowledge with our audience. Thank you so much. We believe that one way or the other we are able to teach 1 or 2 people how to actually prevent disease in poultry. Don't forget to like this video, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Of course, we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers, and as God willing, we hope to get to 1,000 subscribers in a matter of months. So thank you, and see you in our next video.